If OBS Studio is showing dropped frames, it usually means your internet connection or streaming settings cannot keep up with the video data. First, check your internet upload speed because unstable or slow internet is the most common cause of dropped frames. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable stream. Go to Settings Arrow Output in OBS Studio and reduce your bitrate if it is too high for your internet speed. Make sure your bitrate matches your upload speed. If your internet is slow, lower it to 2,500 to 4,000 kilobits per second for smoother streaming. Check if your server, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, is overloaded, and try switching to a different server or region. Close other apps or devices using the same internet connection, as they can cause network congestion. Go to Settings Arrow Video and lower your resolution or FPS if your system is struggling. Enable dynamic bitrate in OBS settings if available, which helps adjust quality automatically during unstable connections. Restart your router to refresh your internet connection. Update OBS Studio to the latest version for better network optimization. If the issue continues, test your stream on another network to confirm whether the problem is your internet provider. These steps will fix most OBS Studio dropped frames issues and make your stream stable.